what's up everyone? So right now I'm just getting this fixed. Where is it? So I'm getting this fixed. Pretty much what this does is it's like the API for, you don't know why I can't speak right now, but it's just the API for, it's a word for it. Just stuff, I mean, for, what's the word for it? I just don't remember what the word for it is, but anyways, so you can see that there's, what's this, dehydrate? No. There's a bit of, I don't know why there's problems here, but we're going to fix a few import errors, but application's looking pretty good. For example, if I go into, yeah, so if I go here, you see application's looking pretty good. When it comes to adding stuff, that's when shit goes wrong. So, okay, fucked out. Because of these problems here, so I'm going to reset this actually to how it was before, because we had stuff working. There we go. So we're gonna make sure this API works in the backend properly. So the way that we're gonna do this is, first of all, I'm gonna get the code from Claude and see how I can fix my way through the application. Okay, so I might have to blur some API keys and stuff, but I have given these in the env file. We're going to give these credentials. Now Fiverr's credential is coming from, where is it coming from? Service account. So service account, this needs to be there, right? This service account.json. So I'll just be like, how can I get this? Right? No. I mean, I can leave it here, right? But then I need to make sure. Okay, what? It's not a valid file, right? My bad. So right here, I need to paste off what needs to be coming in here. So I need to see, I need to go on GPT and how can I get the service account.json? Okay, let's see what, okay, so we are in the console, so I'm not gonna use this, of course, because, you know, I'm streaming right now. Project settings, right? Service accounts tab, service account, generate new private key. So I'm not gonna show you guys what the private key is. Once this is loaded up, generate new private key, confirm and download. Cool. Generate new private key, generate key, okay. Cool, now that I've downloaded it, I'm going to, actually it's on Ecom once, it's actually this one. So let's go on Firebase console, so where is it? That's here. Paste. Cool, so we're gonna log in. We're gonna create the database here. So I'm going to make sure we have all the stuff ready. Okay. Alright, so we're creating the project. Once we have the file, we should be able to navigate on through project settings and then, you know, grab the credentials. So that's not a big problem. So once we do that, we can just paste it here. Right. So I'm gonna keep everything ready, so that way I can quickly put it on here. Okay. Sorry, my bad. I don't know what that was. Okay, so we're almost done. Cool. So we're gonna go in here. Let's click on project settings. Let's enable databases and stuff. So let's select. Register. Okay, we don't really need this. I could have just disabled it. Anyways, we're gonna next, and we'll continue to console. Click on project settings and let's go on to service account. We'll make a new window, service account. So we're gonna download this real quick. Create service account. What the fuck is happening here? No, it's up there, but let's make sure we create a service account. Generate private key. Downloaded it. Cool. Now we'll drag and drop this file. I call it service of. I gotta make sure I use a different account now. Sorry. Cool. All good. Gucci. Okay. So now that we have this, we should be able to make the request. So we have these stuff ready as well, right? Database URL. So database URL, storage bucket. Okay, so there's a bit of a problem here. So we're gonna say, we're gonna go on Claude, our friend Claude here. We're gonna say, make sure so I have the Cloudinary keys, I have them all, but when it comes to keys, I might need to go back and forth a little bit. You can see the keys over here. Database URL. It's all good. So let's see what the solution cheap Claude gives. Extract Cloudinary public ID. So I might need to set that to a okay, it should be done here. So nothing's stuck. Computer stuck for some reason. I don't know what's up here, but cool. So let's see what it cooks up. Anyways, in the meantime, now that we have this, and we also have this running. Oh shit. Well, that's because I cleared it, but cool. Yeah, so we gotta just log in here. I'm gonna do this on my usual browser, so it's easier. Cool. So once we add, it's going to display the products over here. So we're gonna do slash API slash. We're going to see. So this is where it's coming from. Upload images, where it's gonna upload the images to. We're gonna upload the products to. So products, everything in between. So products. This one. Gonna give this one as prompt. So we're gonna, once this is done, we're going to, oops, my bad. Okay, so we're gonna do one more thing. And that's what we're going to say. Make sure the writing some algorithms and stuff here. So cool. All right. Okay, so let's do it. Let it do its thing. So now that we have this, and we have localhost 8080. So this is the usual stuff. So once we have the items opening over here, UI wise, I think it's fine. Everything is all good in terms of UI. So we're gonna click on browse parts. You can select, you can filter through. So let's go on to products. This is one more. What's this? Look at that. So we have the filtering, right? This is all good in terms of what's being filtered, but in terms of what needs to be filtered, it's a bit of a problem here. I'm so fucking tired right now. Okay, so now let's go on here. Go on. Cool. So we're gonna do something a little different here, and that's, for example, right here, right? So it's a product filters. So let's say, for example, product filters .ts. So this is the component. So we're gonna wait for things to be done here, and then apply the quantity. So, yeah. Let's say, for example, looks kind of fucking shit though. It's kind of ass. Anyways, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna probably see how this looks on mobile. Exhaust. It's gonna be so annoying, like with the thing popping back. That's like really fucking annoying. Let's do. Okay, so once we have, okay, so we're gonna highlight down the problems, right? So let's say, for example, first filtering refresher, backend data, duplicate backend functionality. Okay. Okay, so we have what? So you apply that, you can see that it appears over here. But you can go to the admin section, you can add the product over here. So you see that, and pretty much if you go into slash admin submit form product form right here. So once this is submit, it's going to appear on the main page. That's the main functionality. So what we're going to do is we're going to make sure this is sending the data properly. So make sure this works properly with let's say, for example, what? Why are we having problems here? Come on, bro. What's up with this bullshit? Data product. Oh my god, bro. Come on, help me. Okay. I guess that works. Yeah, I mean, that's fine, but. Add product, update product, so let's say, for example, these functions. Okay, so too many models here. So products page. Cool. So once we add these stuff here, should be fine, but alright, so we just copy this. Let's place this here. There's no difference. There's no difference. Okay, alright. So that product is fine. Now the server.js, I think this is fine too. What's up with this? Come on, bro. Please work. If this doesn't work, it's gonna piss me off again. Hmm. Yeah, okay, so we have these data. Let's try adding some item. I don't know. Price is like 5,000 something. I don't know. Transmission, gear cable, SUV, Honda, something 5. I don't know. 40%. Product images. Let me just add a few different images here. I'm just gonna add these 2 images right here. Okay, so there's a problem. Some image URLs are not valid. It's coming from some image URLs are not valid. Interesting. Come from here. We'll get rid of this. Fail to create product. What's the reason for that? What's the reason for that? Yeah, I mean, I get that. Fail to add product. Fail to create product. Creating the product. There we go. So this. And this is a problem. So let me in the post request. There we go. So let's see what the problem is. Let's say you don't need that. Right, so add that to the function. And we'll submit. So let's just copy this part, paste it here. And we'll submit. And let's make sure this is saving properly. It's having a problem when I'm adding stuff. Maybe it's not saving to the database, maybe that's a problem. You know what? I have an idea. So it's saving, right, it's sending these over, right? These are not real images. So it's binding these images for some reason. These are not real images, right? We're getting the types and everything from this data, but this images that we're sending is the problem. But where is this images coming from? That's my question. should be coming from somewhere. So example.com/image. So it's coming from here, right? So upload images, right? Let's go on to the backend and upload images and upload images. This is a problem. So it's supposed to use one of these functions to images. Let's go all the way to the top. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab this as an external window. If I can do that. I don't think I can do that, right? Okay, add images. Images. Okay, so we're seeing a lot of different stuff here. Upload images, so right here, right? So this was the endpoint that I'm hitting. So I'm gonna copy this, I'm going to paste this over here. Because we're supposed to have the front-end implementation, so it's getting the, like, if it's getting random bullshit, like implementation wise, like the images are not uploading, so that's the whole problem here. So we're gonna fix these problems with Copilot in the meantime. I want to see what sort of solution AI gives, and if the solution is viable, then I will use it. If it's not viable, then I will think of my own. Okay, so we're getting upload images, for example. Okay, so let's see if this is okay. It seems like it's sending to the API URL. API URL, I need to grab that. So let's say, let's say, let's get rid of this. It's actually 5,000 /API /. Okay. So if I hit create product, we go to upload successful, but it still says there's a problem, right? I mean, yeah, I did upload this, but it still says error saving product. So there's some sort of problem. Let's see what the network problem is. We got the product, we got a 400 back for some reason. I don't know why, but we're getting 400 back. So it's not this, obviously. What? So add product, so that's fine. Edit request, so we're getting a edit request back from API/product. So let's go on to the server. So let's go uncomment this. Okay. Cool. I think we should be getting a 201. Well, it's probably because I'm not receiving a 201 from the front end. For example, like if I have upload successfully, if the response is not okay, then yeah. But then if the response is handle submit function, if the response is okay, if it's already product, submission status to success. I'm tired. You see, it keeps saying 400 for some reason. I don't know why. Why does it keep sending a 400 back? Like, I just don't understand why. Let me try to say. Let's go on to Firestore. And let's click on Jenkins, what's that? Interesting. Interesting, anyways. That's probably because I haven't created a database in it. So, not collection. Where does it go and store this data? Not collection products. I'm not creating any of these collections of products. Oh, this is probably why. Why is it not selecting these stuff from here? I mean, we're already selecting these from the request body, so why do we need to specifically do that? Hmm. Well, finally. Layer 1, update the product. Oh well, it's another problem. So we have update product, okay, based on the ID, that's fine. But then when it comes to /product/ID, okay, so we're gonna select the ID right here. So we're gonna make the put request, right? So it's coming from the parents, obviously. So it's referring to the ID, but then that's not the real ID, you know what I mean? Like, it's actually this ID, isn't it? It's okay.
Now I belong in your company. Why'd you have the side of your street. I'll always change because you want me to. The same old you, the same old me. Stop your everything I can't be. Why you think tonight? Why you think tonight? I base my life on your face, your everything. Nah, I realize can't be you anymore. Think of you anymore. Hang with you anymore. I guess you'll never know. I'm not hanging with ya. I'm not hanging with ya. I'm not hanging with ya. You never know. I'm not hanging with ya. I'm not hanging with ya. I'm not hanging with ya. I can't talk to you anymore, speak to you anymore, hang with you anymore. I can't talk to you anymore, speak to you anymore, hang with you anymore.
This is fine. Alright.
I base my life on looks that I saw you give. Now, if you change your mind, I'll buy the same everything. And it aches and it pains how I fear of missing out. I belong in your company. Why'd you have those doubts? How many times do I dream of reaching out? I guess you'll never know. I'm not hanging with ya. I'm not hanging with ya. I'm not hanging with ya. I guess you never know. I'm not hanging with ya. I'm not hanging with ya. I'm not hanging with ya. The same old you, the same old me. Stop your everything I can't be. Except I get wandering eyes. It looks much better in the side of your street. I'll always change because you want me to. The same old you, the same old me. Stop your everything I can't be. Why you think tonight? Why you think tonight? I base my life on your face, your everything. Nah, I realize can't be you anymore. Think of you anymore. Hang with you anymore. I guess you'll never know. I'm not hanging with ya.
Yo, what's up, man? What's up, Raptor? We're just building Citrus thingy. Make sure this is like properly working. This is like, I'm just trying to get like the thing properly working and just like make sure it's like, you know, it's like an issue in terms of like how everything is done. So trying to get it to fix because there are some problems. So yeah, trying to like fix this as soon as possible. It's actually a pretty good cool vibe, like trying to fix the problem. Product store. Nice UI, thanks, man. And it's not a crazy UI. You just want like a nice, decent UI, as in you just want like a. So yeah, functionality I think is fine. Bulk. Okay. Should do the job, I think. I don't know just for sure, but hope it would do the job. I don't think so. It's supposed to retrieve. It's supposed to retrieve the records from the database, but it's just not retrieving it at all. Because I see the item right here, unless I deleted it.
Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough.
So this one needs to be rendered, but for some reason it's not rendering it. Maybe because my database crashed actually. Yeah, it is because my database crashed. This is why you should depend on microservices rather than like more than one database. It crashed again. It's crazy. This is broken. Like I don't know, man. This is the thing about IT. This shit's like a pain sometimes. Like look at this. It's not working. Like it's supposed to like display the records over here, but try again. Yeah, you can see like it doesn't retrieve the records and shit. What can I do here? Supposed to be fetching from the database? Oh, it's because of this. Is it? No. This is usual. It's also very complex to implement, so it's okay. Like right here, it's not bad, and when you apply this, it's like it's okay, but then it's also very complex and good. Like there's a lot of functionality behind it, so it's like products. What's up with this in this alignment section? So over here, you can just select like the different lines and stuff. So you can select like a category, and it will show you like select the beat. So that's pretty cool. You can select images and stuff as well. So once you add that, it's gonna appear over here. Once that's done, you can like browse the bar from here. You can also filter. You can add products in it. So it's the same way as Ecom, except like the backend is like really complex. This is just the front end, by the way. Oh, this is gonna be this. Let me fix this part first. I'm gonna log in here. I'm gonna get this to work, and then I'll move on from there. Because this is like annoying. Yeah, so it's pretty complex right now. Yeah, so I'm thinking like how we're supposed to like fix this because it's like super complex the backend. This is fine. Space URLs here. It's like it's kind of funny how like people said AI is gonna replace software developers, because I don't see a world in which that would happen because of how complex shit is. You gotta like break shit down in little pieces and fucking solve the problem. Because like now it's not rendering it. It's not even showing me the reason why it's not rendering it. But like it's straight up just not showing me anything. That's crazy. Like I don't even know what the problem is at that point. Yeah, and it's not showing me anything on the front end. It's not showing me anything on the back end. Logging everywhere, like as in, you know. I don't understand what the problem is at that point. So I've got use. Cross storage and neutral sharing is this. Yeah, it's everything's running, but it's just like something's missing. Never gonna cry anymore. What do you mean it's not found? Let it go. Let it go. Everything's running, but I don't know. Cool. Ecom 74. This is annoying. Let me think. Okay, right here.
Take a look and
Please, man. I'm vanilla, baby. I'll choke you, but I ain't no killer, baby. She 28, telling me I'm still a baby. I get love in Detroit like Skilla, baby. And the thing about your boy is I don't like no whips and chains, and you can't tie me down. But you can whip your lovin' on me. That's right, whip your lovin' on me. Young J-A-C-K-A-K-A Rico like Suave, young Enrique speaking at AKA. She's an alpha but not around your boy. She get quiet around your boy. Hold on, don't know what you heard or what you thought about your boy, but they lied about your boy. Going dumb and it's something idiotic about your boy. She wearing cheetah print, that's how bad she won't be spotted around your boy. I don't like no whips and chains and you can't tie me down, but you can whip your lovin' on me, baby. Whip your lovin' on me. I'm vanilla, baby. I'll choke you, but I ain't no killer, baby. She 28, telling me I'm still a baby. I get love in Detroit like Skilla, baby. And the thing about your boy is I don't like no whips and chains, and you can't tie me down, but you can whip your lovin' on me, whip your lovin' on me. Young M-I-S-S-I-O-N-A-R-Y. He's sharp like barbed wire. She stole my heart, then she got archived. I keep it short with a bitch, Lord Farquhar. All the girls in the front row, all the girls in the barricade, all the girls have been waiting.
Oh, wait, because
Fuck everything. If you came with a man,
let's do with this.
everybody in the suite kicking up their feet, stand up, bitch, dance. And all the guys in the back waiting on the next track. Cut your boy a little slack. It's Young Jack. I'm vanilla, baby. I'll choke you, but I ain't no killer, baby. She 28, telling me I'm still a baby.
Yep.
Get love in Detroit like Skilla, baby. And the thing about
How do I fix this shit, bro? Damn.
But you can whip your lovin' on me. That's right, whip your lovin' on me.
Tired. Fucking tired. Look at this bullshit.
cause we're just meant to be. She an island girl, island girl. She like the islands, I like the islands.
Tennessee rain, she hit him.
She hit him out, I understand she wanna come over. I feel no sympathy for you, girl, it can be over. In 2 seconds, you ain't see when I sent you that message. She got on her knees like she gon' bless you. And I feel when you hurt and I get it. And I know she wanna know, she wanna know, she wanna know what's so with I wanna know, I wanna know, I wanna know what's so with her. I swear to God, we both know that we're no good for each other. I hate when she
I just want my dog. Are you kidding me, bro?
Yeah. Okay, nigga wanna swear that nigga gotta pay us. Had in my bag and they tryna say I changed up. Yeah, okay, bitch real bad and I might have to slay her. Yeah, okay, bitch real bad, give a cash out. Tryna get out of here, I might go overseas. Yeah, they say I'm insane, I see why, but these folks don't get as paid as me. Like, why she say all you do is play with me? Damn, I think that I got to. I ain't nobody got on the plane with me. Yeah, I'm too deep in the rockstar life, love, it ain't no saving me. Damn, I think that I love my plug, yeah, this shit saving me. Yeah, and I love my clothes. Goddamn, I think I might save this bitch. Yeah, she like play your song, that shit saving me. Then I never got by my drink. My shooter like red and my bitch like pink. We got cash like you ride the bank, and these niggas ain't no shit, what you think? We got bags, having loads of that paper, this makes my jello, I don't write that bank. And I do I back when I come through. Bitch, I kick big shit like Kung Fu. Damn, I'm fly, but I don't mean to bug you. Bitch, you fly, and I think that I love you. She says me, she like, lonely, I love you. I text back, I'm like, don't even say that. But I can put you in the back of the Maybach. We in the back of the back where they play. And most of these little boys can't even face back. Yeah, bugs like T-Rex. Yeah, to go get a dub in. Yeah, some of that shit I speak ain't like that shit was on nothing. Yeah, I know I don't trust these guys, don't need their ass for nothing. Yeah, I don't know how my love still work with all this damn smoking. I like Molly, I like shoes, man, I down with Perkins. They keep my stomach hurting. I keep on working. Might sign your hoe for Perkins. I used to feel deserted.
I'm gonna take a break for everybody, guys.
Now I got them nervous.
Because, I gotta fix this problem. I mean, it's saved into the database, so that's a pretty good thing. But it's least of my problems. Shit. What is it? Is it recording? Holy fuck.
And I can't make a bang, she like, why she say all you do is play with me? Damn, I think that I got to. I ain't nobody got on the play with me. Yeah, I'm too deep in the rockstar life, love, it ain't no saving me. Damn, I think that I love my plug, yeah.
All those other stories, bro. This is fucking ridiculous.
Goddamn, I think I might save this bitch. Yeah, this shit like play your song, that shit saving me.
I deleted some of my Forza videos and shit. Fucking deleted everything. It's crazy. My bad.
I'm in this bitch look like Ecom.
If she call, won't call her back. Yeah, I spend racks all on this fashion shit. But bitch, I'm fly just like a fashion show.
Wrote me a blunt, pulled up, 4 pop the pill. New pint, a walk, no on cracking the seal. Ain't gotta ask your her, she wanna fuck, she already know the deal. Ain't doing no procrastinating with her, I'm going straight for the kill. I fucked the bitch off the pill, that shit was about head like a bill. I heard you be paying her bills, whatever I want, do you will. These niggas be chasing these hoes, I'm steadily chasing the M's. I'm steadily chasing the M's, I'm steadily chasing the M's. I want the M, I'm talking to Millie. Shot it right on it, did Papa Willie. I go to my nigga, bitch, like you silly. Fuck on this bitch, now you say you won't kill me. You won't smoke by the bitch, I'm like real. Right up a 3-5, now I'm high like the seal. I pop that G5, I'm up high like the bill. I pop me a 4 and I'm geek, do you feel me? If you see me and I'm high, that's the real me. But in that clip, you can get peeled, you can get stripped. Chicken no tax, these niggas be talking a lot, but won't act. I ain't get caught like I run with my cat. I ride on that shop, but bitch, not attack. When it come to drugs, you know that we tax. Cause bitch is corona and we got the vaccine. Wrote me a blunt, pulled up, 4 pop the pill. New pint, a walk, no on cracking the seal. Ain't gotta ask your her, she wanna fuck, she already know the deal. Ain't doing no procrastinating with her, I'm going straight for the kill. I fucked the bitch off the pill, that shit was about head like a bill. I heard you be paying her bills, whatever I want, do you will. These niggas be chasing these hoes, I'm steadily chasing the M's. I'm steadily chasing the M's, I'm steadily chasing the M's.
I lost my voice before I made this. I spent all last night on stage. I just did a show with my bro. What's going? Let's go. HOU, I just did a show with my bros. Get the front end, back in, hit the road, then I'm gone. Hit her front end, back in, now she can't leave me alone. She done locked in, met my friends, now she a rolling long. I gotta lock in, get these bands, bitch, please leave me alone. Big my back then, can't understand why they left me alone. Bitch, I came on, up back door, don't know what's going on. Bitch, I came on, remember me, fuck is going on. Yeah, fuck going, let's go. Touchdown, finna see what the fuck going with my bro. Fuck going with my hoe, yeah, fuck going, you know. Yeah, fuck going, what's up, yeah, what's going, let's go. Yeah, pulling up black truck, yeah, outside my show. Yeah, this bitch wanna cuff me, I can't make her my hoe. Yeah, bitch, you hot as stove top, can't get my bro top. I come through when time stop, my bro froze his time watch. These nigga I don't watch, I don't wanna see him. Bitch, I'm getting big as fuck, put me for a Coliseum.
Bro, you kidding me?
I'm trying to go get me a truck, put that bitch on brand new rims. I'm a rock star, bitch, I run this shit, it's me, I feel like. Hey, look.
I don't need hoe with a lot of honey. Back in the vitamin pairs of D. I don't need hoe with a lot.